Namaste students, welcome to my channel Chems Block Learning is Fun. Today we are going to learn how to create web page more creatively. That means we are going to create a simple web page using HTML. In my first video of HTML, I have used only tags. The four important tags, those are HTML tag, body tag, head and title. Now today we are going to use attributes also. Now what is attribute in HTML? To provide additional information inside the tag, we need to give attributes. Now how we can add the attributes, that today I am going to show you. So different tag have different attributes. Now today we are going to use attributes of body tag. Before that, I am going to show you in my last video of HTML topic, I have created one simple web page, my first web page. So this is the file you can see in my laptop, and I will show you. So this web page we have created, and here we have written only two sentences. I read in class 8, welcome to my first web page, that one only. Look at here, no picture is there, and text are also very simple. No background picture is there, no background color is there. So today we are going to give background color. After that, background image we are going to give. That how we can provide this background color and background image using attribute, that one we are going to do. So close this browser and let us see what was the code. So to see the code, we have to open the text editor. As Notepad we have used. So open with Notepad, then you can see the that code, HTML code. Look at what are the text we have used. HTML, head, title we have given, web page 1, body, and inside the body we have written these two sentences, and we have closed the body HTML. Only these four text we have used, and inside the body we have written these two sentences. Now we are not going to create another new HTML file. In this file itself, my first web page itself, we are going to edit. Now how to use the attributes? As we are going to use the attributes of body tag. Body is container tag. So attributes are always written inside the opening tag. Look at, this is the opening tag of body. Here we are going to use the attribute. Now body contains what are the attributes? Background attributes is used to add background picture. Busy color used to give background color. Text, it is used to give text color of the body. Left margin, it is used to set the left hand margin, and top margin attribute, it is used to set the top margin. So let us first use busy color. So this is the opening tag. So give space and we have to write the busy color. Busy color, this is the attribute name, and we have to provide the value. Value is provided using equal, and inside the double quotation we have to write the value. Suppose busy color value blue we are going to give. So we have written the blue. Finished. Now save this one. No need to click the save as, because we have already saved, providing the name my first web page.html. So you just click save and minimize this one, and the background color is changed or not. To check, open our existing file, my first web page, open with Google Chrome. Look at this is the output. Earlier the background was nothing, white is if we do not provide any background color, by default it is white. So now see, the content is I read in class 8, welcome to my first web page, and background color become the blue. Now close this one. Now we are going to, I have minimized, open the notepad again. Now we are going to use background picture. We are going to give background picture. Now for that you have to upload a image first. Suppose I am keeping one picture is there. Look at, this is the picture. I am showing you how we can use the background. Look at, this is the picture, you can see. And what is the picture name? PIC. And right click, and you have to see the extension of the image file also. Picture name is PIC pic, and it is the JPEG file, .jpeg file. So go to notepad now, and now we'll use the attribute background. Multiple attributes we can use inside the same tag. Background attribute names write properly, there should not be any spelling mistake. Background equal to, now we have to write the picture name PIC dot JPEG. Picture extension may be .png, .jpg. Now save. Now let us check whether this picture is set as background or not. Go to open the my first web page again. Look at, now see this picture here as a background. Now it is reflected, so the picture came as a background. And this is the content I read in class 8, welcome to my first web page. Now text color also we can give. Suppose now look at, I read in class 8, welcome to my first web page, it is not visible. Let us change the text color. So how to change the text color of the body? Go to notepad. So inside the body itself, to change the text color, we have to use the text attribute, text, text equal to, we have to give the value of the text, that means color. Let us give red. Now save, don't forget to save the edited code, minimize, and again you open. Look at, I read in class 8, welcome to my first web page. Now it became red color. So in that way, using attributes inside the tag, we can make many changes in the web page. So you have learned how to use the attributes, and you have used the 3 attributes, background, busy color, text of the body tag. So in that way, we can create a web page in a more creative way. So different texts contain different attributes. Now again, I will show you how we can give heading in your document. Again, open with the notepad. Heading also should be given inside the body, and in the theory class you have learned there are 6 headings are there: H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. Let us use H1. H1 is the biggest heading. H1 suppose heading will give my profile, and heading also container tag, so it has opening as well as closing tag. So we have given heading. Let us see how it is reflected in the web page. So this way we can give the heading. We have used the first heading. This is the biggest heading. Save your file, minimize, and open. Look at my profile. My profile, it is coming the heading 1. The text is little bit bigger than the main text. So this way we can give the heading. So I hope you have understood how we can use the attributes of the body tag and how we can give the heading in your web page.